Swadika. Hi everyone, welcome to number 5 Thai Kitchen. And let me introduce myself so you know who am I. My name is Nisako. You can call me Nikki. I was born in Thailand and growing up in Chiang Rai, the small town north of Thailand. Until 18 years old, I moved to Bangkok and graduated from culinary degree hotel food management in Bangkok. My first job is in five-star hotel in Dubai. After that, I relocated to USA and start working in a Thai restaurant for a couple while. Then I decided to open my own restaurant. But that's how my cooking class began because I'm always brave enough to do something out of the box. So I was thinking I would like to do some restaurant and cooking show, cooking class also. I got about 50 people each day come to my restaurant, try to learn how to cook Thai food. It's been awesome and very successful. I have so much fun and make good enough money for the living. So it's word of mouth. People know about my restaurant and finally I feel like I can do better than this. I can grow my cooking school. After that, I decided that I want to open my own Thai cooking class. People tell me, Nikki, don't do it. It's not gonna work. You don't have enough market for America. They can just watch YouTube. Nobody want to learn how to make pad thai or curry or anything that you're going to teach them. But no, after I after I opened my own school, I become pretty much successful. People interest about this class, and I am actually going to my client house, teaching them sometimes one-on-one, sometimes a group class, sometimes it's like a birthday, anniversary, or something, just a group to be fun with it. And then in 2014, I got the reward, an award for the personal service. So I'm very proud about that. So you see, you can always think positive, make a plan, and try to do it. It's not going to be successful in one time or one day. Rome doesn't build in one day either. So I learned from my mistake. I learned from my mistake and experience. Keep doing the same thing over and over and over, but I learned from all those and I never do the same mistake again. So all the experience is teaching me. I've been learn how to cook Thai cuisine from my grandmother who cooked for the royal family of Thailand. Also with 20 years experience how to cook and familiar in the kitchen. Also the restaurant owner, the owner of the cooking school. Today, I will use all my technique and the secret to show you how to make pad thai from scratch. So you will learn how to make pad thai since in the beginning. Start from introduce the ingredients, how to make pad thai sauce, and finally step by step, you can make your own pad thai in the kitchen. And I'm guarantee gonna be the best, delicious. Are you ready? The show. So hopefully you're not going anywhere. And if you are ready, I'm going to show you how to make pad thai from scratch. But let's start with the ingredients. Okay, what we have here. Pad thai ingredients. You can mix fish sauce. That's number one. Of course, you need brown sugar. If you don't have a brown sugar, you can use any kind of sugar, doesn't matter. Could be white sugar, could be palm sugar, could be light brown, could be dark brown, okay? And then you have this tamarind juice and white vinegar. So let me tell you all these ingredients to make pad thai sauce. It's not that hard. You can do it on your own kitchen. If you don't have tamarind sauce, tamarind juice, you can just use white vinegar instead. So it's everything is substitution. all you have to have is just basic equipment and your own kitchen. So anyone can just make your own pad thai, right? Simple. Are you ready? So I'm gonna start with very basic how to make pad thai sauce first. So let's do fish sauce. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons fish sauce. One. And 2. And then we're gonna have 4 tablespoons brown sugar. And tamarind sauce. So we're gonna use 2 tablespoons tamarind sauce. And the last one is white vinegar. Also 2 tablespoons. Easy and simple. Okay, so do you remember? 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, 4 tablespoons brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons tamarind juice. Mix all together. So today we're gonna make 1 portion pad thai, okay? We got the sauce ready. So let's the show begin. Let me go get the shrimp. So we're gonna make shrimp pad thai today, okay? Just let you know, the package of the noodle is look like this. When you buy the dry noodle like this, you have to soak in a room temperature water for at least half an hour until the noodle soft, okay? So when the noodle soft, it's just gonna look like this. We will need bean sprout, green onion, ground peanut, and piece of lard. And I'm telling you the secret. Paprika, ground paprika, is gonna make pad thai nice color and beautiful color. I prefer to use avocado oil just because it's better for you, but if you have another kind of oil, you can use anything, doesn't matter. So 1 portion of pad thai, I'm just gonna use 1 egg. Okay, so if you are ready, I think I am ready also. Let's the show begin. All right, hope you can see through this area. And we're gonna start making pad thai. Okay, stove on. We're just gonna use a little bit avocado oil. Okay, just gonna wait for the oil to cook a little bit. Then we're gonna add shrimp in here. Looking good. Five shrimp should be enough. Okay. For the chicken and pork would be different. You can cook longer until it's cooked, but the shrimp, you don't want to overcook the shrimp. Smell good. All right, so the shrimp is look like halfway cooked. That's all you want. So it's turned to be pink. And now you're gonna want to add some eggs on the side of the pot. So you don't have to be like stirring the shrimp and the eggs together. Okay. Scramble the egg on other side of your pan. Beautiful. Nice. So now add pad thai noodle or rice noodle. If you want the noodle to be a little bit thin, you can add a little bit water to help the noodle thin. So the noodle can get like softer easily. Look at that, how fast. Easy and beautiful. Wow. See, who said pad thai is difficult? Not at all. With my recipe, anyone can do this. Okay, so noodle is getting soft now. So now we're gonna add pad thai sauce. Wow, smell good. I told you the secret of pad thai, right? If we want to have a nice color, add paprika. That's how pad thai turn a little red. You see the color are different now? Wow, very nice. So now I'm gonna add just a little bit of ground peanut. Okay. You want to save some ground peanut to decoration and sprinkle on the top after the pad thai dish are done. So don't use them all. Looking great. How easy is that? So now bean sprout and red onion. Wow. Oh, look at this. Okay, I'm so excited. Let me taste it. Wow, the noodle getting so soft. Mm. What can I say? It's perfect every time. All right, that's it. So we're gonna put pad thai in the bowl. So sometimes I like it a little bit sour, so I add lime juice on the side. And if you like it more spicy, you can always add like sprinkle of Thai chili powder on top of your pad thai, and that's okay too. Beautiful. Wow, look at that. And for the presentation, I told you we're gonna add a little bit of ground peanut. Just sprinkle on top. Wow. See that? How beautiful is that? Are you ready? That's your pad thai. You can do this in your own kitchen. Very nice. Okay, so if you have any question, you can also text me, message me. Don't forget to subscribe and follow.